Introducing the Dell Proprietary 20-pin plus 6-pin power supply unit adapter from Vanda Trading. The simple, cost-effective solution that lets you connect any standard ATX power supply to a Dell PC requiring Dell's proprietary connector layout. Simply attach this adapter to your standard 20-pin or 24-pin ATX PSU, and you're ready to go. No specialist tools, no guesswork. It's designed as a direct replacement for Dell PSU references including the PS5-2018D2 and 0824KH, and is compatible with a wide range of Dell Dimension, OptiPlex, PowerEdge, and Precision workstation systems. Built from quality 18A wire, this 20cm cable is brand new, ships from the United Kingdom, and comes backed by a 30-day return policy. Get yours now from Vanda Trading.